Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to work on this Audi A4. The problem is on this one, the right passenger side, the headlight is not working, the bulb is blown. So on this one, it doesn't have the regular bulb, it has a xenon headlight. I will show you how to remove it and change the bulb. Let's get to it. Pop the hood. To have access to the bulb, we need to get it from here. As you can see, we don't have any space to put our hand, so we need to remove this air conduct and we have to loosen the screws here, take out this connector, and wiggle this a little bit, and we'll be able to take the air filter housing out, and we'll have access to the bulb from here. Let's do it. We'll start by loosening this screw, just like that. Then we'll push this tab a little bit. Careful, do not break it. Then press on it and pull the plug out, just like that. Then we'll remove this air duct. Just push and push. Pry it out just like that. Remove these holes. Hold it, and next wiggle this air housing just like that, and it will come out. From here now you will be able to access headlight housing. Here's a cover, you need to remove it. Just twist counterclockwise. Remove the cover and you'll have access to the xenon bulb. To remove the bulb, just hold it like this and twist it counterclockwise and pull it out just like that. And here is the connector. Just hold both sides and pull apart. It's out. As you can see, this bulb is burned out. Now we're going to replace it with the same kind. This one is a Philips xenon light, a model, the DS3 model, 35 watt. So we are going to put the same model on this side. We got the same light bulb, the xenon one, the D3SC1 that will goes in the headlight. Open it from the bottom. Make sure you don't touch the headlight glass. That will reduce the life of the bulb again. To put it back, same thing. Just hold the bulb and connector. You will see there's a there's a tab here. The connector will go the same way, just like that, and press it tight. Once it clicks, it's good. So carefully, we'll put back the bulb in. Then give it a little twist. Once it clicks, it's good. Put back the cover. So before putting the air filter housing back, we're going to test it to make sure it's working. Then we are going to put everything back. So we just switch on the headlights and it's good. Perfect. Now we're going to put back the housing and connect everything back. So make sure these two rubber thing goes in these two holes. Next we put back the intake hose, light it, connect back the sensor, put back this air duct. Make sure everything is seated properly, then you're good to go. So this is how I change the headlight bulb for this car. It's the same thing for other Audis A4, the 2010 to 2015. It's almost the same thing. To change on the driver's side, you'll have to move the reservoir and you will be able to have access to the bulb. So this is how I change the bulb, guys. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to share the video with your friends and families. We'll see you on the next one.